Hi, my name is Elle and welcome to my channel. Since today is the first video, I'll just be explaining what I'm going to do on my other videos too. So basically what I like to do is play different games, like board games and video games, and I like to do different challenges. So if you guys have any challenges, comments, anything like that, and feedback, please put them in the comment section below. I'd also like to get to know you guys, and I'd also like to just for you guys to get to know me better. So if you guys also have any comments, put them in the comments below. So today I will just be explaining what I like to do. Again, I like to do a lot of different book reviews. Most of the books will be private reading, but I can also do different books that aren't. And most of the time it'll be in the mythology category. I also like to do different DIYs. I like to make things I like to make pet toys and stuff out of things that I find around my house or things that from a dollar store and stuff like that. And the last thing that I'd say I like to do would be getting to know you guys. And if you have any questions or any comments or feedback or anything, please put them in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you guys as fast as possible. But I just really hope you guys like my videos in the future. Bye.